This is what we do. We are known to outsource smart software development services that includes bespoke software development, bespoke application development, cross-platform development, mobile application development, IT consulting, agile development, cybersecurity services. As a smart software development outsourcing company, we offer the following features: innovativeness, top-notch design and front-end user experience, agile approach, promoting to the live environment, host development assistance. Every product goes through our stringent team for quality control and defect fixes, and then gets developed after understanding your business objective, business model and customer base, technical architecture, delivery deadlines. Hence, only delivering the remarkable products. These companies have trusted us in their journey and allowed us to take the lead. RSK Business Solutions, custom software, made simple, made right.